I'm going to give you some tips for post-lab 29 borohydride reduction of vanillin to vanillyl alcohol. In question number 1, you're going to be reporting your mass of vanillin, also your mass of the product, and the melting point of your product. To calculate yield, you are going to convert your mass of vanillin into millimoles and then calculate the theoretical millimoles of your product, vanillyl alcohol. Once you have the millimoles of vanillyl alcohol, then you can calculate its theoretical mass and then its percent yield, which will be your actual yield divided by your theoretical yield. You will then analyze your purity based on the melting point that you reported. The actual melting point of vanillyl alcohol is 115, and you'll also analyze your purity based on the appearance of your IR. Question number 4 is problem 1 from your textbook. This is asking you to draw a mechanism for the reaction that you performed. It says under the conditions that you used, so that would just mean, when it's talking about under the conditions, that just means, did you do this under acidic conditions or basic conditions? And you are the one who made that decision because you're the one who created this procedure. So decide if you did this under acidic or basic conditions, and then you're going to be drawing the mechanism. That means you're using curved arrows. You're not writing a balanced equation. The balanced equation is already written for you on page 252 in your textbook. You're drawing the mechanism. And then question number 2, this one is asking you to write a balanced equation for the decomposition of sodium borohydride. That's the NaBH4. So you had extra sodium borohydride in this reaction when it was over, and it wants you to write the equation to show what happens to the sodium borohydride when it's decomposing in the presence of hydrochloric acid. Also, there's some water there. It says in water to which HCl has been added. You are going to have to predict the products of this reaction. It's giving you no hints at all about what the products are, but you will be able to find a lot of clues on the internet. So just, look this up on the internet to help you make some predictions about the products of the decomposition of a borohydride reagent.